The one thing that's letting down my Audi S4 are these tired, old, opaque looking headlights. Not only does it affect the overall aesthetics of the car, it affects the beam that's coming out of the light unit, and therefore the light that comes out of them at night is just rubbish. They need restoring. Now, over the last 25 years, I've always used one company to maintain the exterior of my cars. So you can imagine how chuffed I was when I contacted them and they come back to me and they said they'd be happy to give me one of their kits to use on the video to bring to the channel for you. And here it is. Autoglym's Headlight Restoration Complete Kit. So before we crack on, let's have a look at what's in the box. So, box, instructions, microfiber cloth, attachment for the drill, headlight restoration compound, and then the different grades of sanding discs for the headlights. So before we get on with it, the most important thing is the prep work. So let's read the instructions, mask off all of the different areas, and then we'll get on with it. Okay, that's the masking all done. Let's read the instructions and have a go. I've decided to lift the bonnet as per the instructions. So the first thing you do is attach a P800 disc to your drill. Let's see how we get on. Okay, the moment of truth. So now we need a P1500 disc. Okay, now we need P2000, but also we need to dampen the surface, and we also dampen the surface of the headlight. Now we go for 3000. Using the same procedure, you must dampen it, both the sanding disc and also the headlight. And final stage, get the polishing pad, get the headlight restoration compound, apply a bit to the pad, and then wipe it across the surface before you pop the drill onto it. Still quite chilly, I had to go and put a jacket on. So we've done one side, it's a lot better than the other side, but it's still not quite right. So I'll just show a quick comparison. So you can see the side that we've done is a lot better, but it's not 100%, and I just know that this Autoglym kit will get it looking back to factory finish. So I'm just going to give it another go from start to finish, starting at P800 all the way up, and I'll show you the results. There we go, guys. I just knew the Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit would do the job. Come and have a look at this now I've had a second go over it. So let's do the other side and then I can show you the finished article. Okay, that's both sides done, and I can't tell you how pleased I am with this. Honestly, come and have a look at this. They really do look brand new, don't they? I mean, credit where credit's due. I have to be honest, when I first started on the first pass, I didn't think it was going to work. I thought they were too far gone. But I have to say it was probably my own fault on the first pass because I was going quite gently. It says apply medium pressure. So I was going quite gently. But on the second and third pass, I went, I would say, medium to hard pressure. And it's come up beautifully. I mean, look at that. I'm so pleased. Thank you so much to Autoglym. It wouldn't be possible without you guys. Thank you. And I have to say, this isn't a paid promotion. All they've done is sent me a kit to use on this video to show you guys. So I'm so chuffed. Thank you so much, Autoglym. So as always, be good to one another and love life. Always be good to animals and enjoy the rest of your day.